boys and girls. Ready for a little math? Well, it's going to be kind of neat today. Just get out your rods, okay? Now, the challenge is going to be to see if you can make the numbers that I write. Now, if I wrote this number, 9, and said make it with rods, you would just do this, right? 9 rod, 9. Perfect. If I said, please make this number with rods. Are you holding up the right rod? You would do the light green. Perfect. Now, if this time on your paper you see this, how would you make 13? 1 group of 10 and 3 more. But we don't lay them on their side anymore. When we do the teen numbers, they go up and down. So under my paper, I would do, oops, can't see it, it's so little. There we go. Did I do 13? I did. You're right. Let's try another one. I will write a number and you show me with rods. Can you say it? 18. Can you make it with rods? 1 group of 10 and 8 more. I'm going to stick mine right here. See if I can pick them up better that way. You know the ones I get mixed up? I always get the 7 and the 8 mixed up. But I got it. A group of 10 and 8 more. I don't think this is going to be really hard for you. I think you've got this. Now, on your paper or in your book, there is a whole lot of directions, parents. And on mine, I just crossed them right out. Because all I want your child to do is to use rods to make these numbers. So when this book is laying down in front of them, have them take their rods and lay it down on top. And then please check it. You could even open the book right like this, have the kids lay down their rods and snap a quick picture and send it to me. If your child is one that really wants to leave evidence on the page, well, they could build it with the rods and then they could use the correct crayons to draw it. But don't worry about all the other stuff. All I want them to do is to show that they can build these numbers with rods. That's a pretty easy one for math today, isn't it? I think you can do it. And you're going to find that there's going to be a lot more reviewing coming up. And this is one of those things. And I also want to leave a little bit of time for happy numbers. A parent just asked me, do you think we could use happy numbers this summer? And I'm not sure. But I have put in a call. And hopefully someone will get back to me sometime this week and I can tell you. But let's see if we can get really close to that first grade mark. For most of you, it won't be hard. So this is a 10-minute lesson to show what you know. And then go to Happy Numbers and see what you can do. Now, if you're in the first grade level and you're not able to do it on your own, that's okay. Don't continue. That's okay. You're going to learn first grade stuff next year. But one thing you could review are shapes. Some of you, even though you know all kinds of things about letters and you can look at shapes, it's really hard for you to say the shape. So, do you have anything in your house that's a circle or a sphere? How about a rectangle or a prism? How about a square or a cube? Remember, 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional. And don't forget that really hard one, that really, really hard one, the hexagon. I show a hexagon and children do not remember that name. Here. Let's do this really quick. I just came up with this idea. These are going to be the flat shapes. I'm going to draw them really quickly. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, I think those are the flat shapes that are on our test. Go ahead. Show your moms and dads that you know the names of those. These are the flat shapes. Circle. A lot of kids say, that's upside down. No, it's the same shape no matter which way it goes. Triangle. Square. Rectangle. Hexagon. I think in the first sleeve that I gave you with the 10 frame on it, there was another paper in there. The only problem with this paper, it does not have a hexagon. So again, you could do square, circle, rectangle, triangle. Those are the easy ones. These, oval, this is a trapezoid. This could be a diamond or a rhombus and a star. The one that is never shown, and the one I have to make sure you know, is that hexagon. So give it a try. A hexagon has 6 straight sides. Something to work on when you finish this and you finish your happy numbers. Or if you're not doing happy numbers, get out some Play-Doh. Can you make those? Maybe with a little plastic knife, you could practice cutting out a hexagon. That means it has 6 sides. A stop sign is an octagon. That has 8 sides. Really tricky. Want me to show you how to make one? This is how I make a hexagon. See if I can do it. Ready? Actually, I'll tip it this way. Okay? So what I do is I do a straight line at the top and a straight line at the bottom. And then I make a V this way. And then I make a point or a V this way. See how it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corners. Hexagon. Don't give up. Give it a try. I like making them. I always do the top and the bottom first, and then I make the corners. All right, boys and girls, you got a lot to do today, and I can't wait to see how it all comes out. Have fun with math.